With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So in this question, we are provided with the structure of an enantiomer of carbon, and we have to find the asymmetric carbon atom and determine whether it is in R configuration or S configuration. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the asymmetric carbon. For that, asymmetric carbon is having all the four groups attached to it different. I'll give you an example. Okay, this carbon is having all four groups different. So that is why this is an asymmetric carbon. So we have to find asymmetric carbon in this molecule also. In this molecule, we can see there are three hydrogens. So this is not an asymmetric carbon. Here it is sp2 hybridized. We only see this asymmetric carbon for sp3 hybridized. So this carbon is also sp2 hybridized. This is sp3 hybridized, but it is having two hydrogens, both are same, so that's why this is symmetric, not asymmetric carbon. Now here also there are two hydrogen, so this is also not asymmetric carbon. This carbon is also sp2 hybridized, so that's why this is also not asymmetric carbon. Now this carbon is having one group, first group that is attached to oxygen from here, and the other group which is not attached to oxygen, so that's why both of the groups are different. And here it is attached to a different sp2 group, so that's why here also group is different, and it is attached to a hydrogen. The hydrogen is present at the back at the dash. Okay, so this is a asymmetric carbon. This particular carbon is asymmetric. Now this carbon is sp2 hybridized, so that's why this is also not asymmetric carbon. Now one part of the answer is solved, that asymmetric carbon we have to find out. Now determination of RNS configuration. So for RNS configuration, we follow CIP rules. This rule gives priority to atomic number first. So we will do the labeling according to the atomic number. So here we have one carbon and hydrogen, so we can write it as CHH. Here also carbon, hydrogen and hydrogen is there. So both of the carbons we can give the same priority because both are having one carbon which is having same atomic number. So that's why we'll go to the third group that is having carbon here. This is a carbon, and this particular bond we have to break and see. So if we break this bond, so it will be like there is a carbon here and there is another carbon here. Okay, so this particular uh, group will divide into three carbons from here, like carbon, carbon, and carbon. So it will become CCC. So because it is having CCC and these two are having CHH, so that's why the priority will be given to CCC. Okay, so the first priority will be given to this group. So this will be numbered as 1. Now, in between these two groups, we have to go further to see which one should be prioritized. So I'm going to this group. This group is having sp2 hybridized here. Here also it is going to break into two carbons. So here we can see that it is CC and one H is there. H was also there. So that's why CCH will be here. But here this bond will break and this particular side will get O and this particular side will get C. Okay, so it will become O and C. So that's why in between these two groups, this particular side will get the priority. So here this particular bond will get the second priority and this side will get the third priority. Now the fourth side, that is hydrogen, is present at the dash at the back. So it will get the fourth priority. It is having the lowest atomic number. So it is forming a anti-clockwise loop. You can see it is forming anti-clockwise direction. So that's why if we can say that it is in S configuration. If this hydrogen was on wedge, then we can say this S configuration will turn into R configuration. But because it is on dash, so it will remain as S only. So our final answer is this particular compound is in S configuration. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.